Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to fix ghost touches on Android. First of all, the immediate physical fixes are to clean your screen because dirt, oil, lint or moisture also can interfere with the touch sensors. So you might want to use microfiber cloth to wipe the screen gently. And next option could be removing your accessories like poorly fitted screen protector or even a bulky case like this. And also check your charger. Faulty or low quality charging cables can cause electrical interference that trigger ghost touches while plugged in. So try using a certified original charger and see if the problem stops. Now, what you want to do is there are also options like software troubleshooting. First of all, what you can do is go ahead and restart your phone, or what you can do is go ahead to settings and from there head to option called display and touch. From there, scroll a little bit down and you will find option called touch sensitivity. Go ahead and tap on it and ensure that your touch sensitivity is a bit on the higher side. Also, make sure that your phone is up to date and also test your phone in safe mode. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.